New to making videos. Which platform gives brand new creators the best chance to reach strangers? TikTok or Instagram Reels? Let's break it down simply and practically. This video focuses on reach for absolute beginners with 0 followers. I'll explain how algorithms work, why TikTok often wins, and what you can do right now to get views. Quick note on accessibility. Captions appear on screen and will also read each tip aloud so everyone can follow along easily. Captions are enabled for every example. At its simplest, TikTok uses a For You recommendation feed driven by interest signals. Reels mixes interest signals with Instagram's social graph. That difference matters for new creators. Over the next chapters, we'll compare reach mechanics, share practical posting tips, run 2 real quick examples, and finish with a simple checklist you can use today. Ready? Let's start by explaining why TikTok commonly gives better cold audience reach to brand new creators with 0 followers. TikTok's For You page is primarily interest-based. The app tests new videos with small batches of viewers who might like that content regardless of creator follower counts. Those early tests use watch time, rewatches, likes, and shares to decide whether to scale distribution. Strong interest signals can send a video viral, even from 0 followers. Instagram Reels also recommends content, but the algorithm leans more on social connections, profile signals, and past interactions, making cold reach slower for brand new accounts. Put simply, TikTok is built to surface content by interest first, while Reels often rewards creators who already have followers interacting with their posts. For a brand new creator, that interest-first approach means your content can reach complete strangers quickly if it triggers engagement signals early on. That doesn't mean Reels can't perform well, but for cold reach specifically, TikTok's testing an interest-weighted feed tends to be more favorable for 0-follower creators. Tip 1. Hook viewers in the first 3 seconds. Use a surprising statement, a bold visual, or a question that makes people stop and watch immediately. Tip 2. Keep videos short and focused. Aim for 15 to 30 seconds for most topics. Shorter videos are easier to finish and easier for TikTok to test widely. Tip 3. Prioritize watch time and rewatch potential. Use quick cuts, curiosity loops, and clear visual movement so viewers stay engaged and often replay the clip. Tip 4. Use clear captions and spoken audio. Many viewers watch without sound, so on-screen text plus voice improves both accessibility and engagement. Tip 5. Post consistently and test variations. Try different hooks, thumbnails, and length. Track what gains watch time and double down on what works. Tip 6. Engage early with comments. The algorithm notices early engagement, and replies can boost distribution. Be genuine and encourage short interactions. Example 1. Quick cooking tip. Hook with a surprising result. Watch me make crispy toast in 30 seconds. Show steps fast, include captions, and a replayable trick. In that clip, TikTok can test it to users who like cooking hacks. Strong watch time and rewatches will push it further, even if you have 0 followers. Example 2. Fast personal tip. Start with a relatable line like I used to struggle with focus, then share one practical tactic and show a quick result. Short, honest, and repeatable tips invite saves and shares. On TikTok, those signals help the algorithm decide which new audiences should see your video next. On Reels, similar clips can work, but expect slower discoverability if you have 0 followers. Use Reels to repurpose your best TikToks once you have momentum. Quick recap of examples: make a strong hook, keep it short, add captions, design for rewatch, and test variations. Those choices boost cold reach across both platforms. Here's a simple checklist you can follow today. Hook in 3 seconds. Keep it under 30 seconds. Add captions. Aim for rewatch potential. Post consistently. If cold reach is your main goal as a brand new creator, start on TikTok to test ideas quickly. Use Reels later to expand into your Instagram audience. Remember, content quality and interesting ideas matter more than expensive gear. Authentic, clear, and helpful videos attract viewers on both platforms. Accessibility reminder: captions are included. If you rely on captions while watching, they match the spoken script so you won't miss any tips. Next steps: pick one short idea, film a 15 to 30-second clip, post it on TikTok, review watch time, then iterate based on what performs best. If you found this helpful, follow for more beginner-friendly creator tips and quick examples. Start today, test often, and celebrate small wins along the way. Want maximum reach with one video across multiple platforms? It's possible if you adapt your files strategically. This guide covers practical steps: remove watermarks, make platform-specific edits, localize overlays and metadata, and optimize thumbnail as and metadata, and optimize thumbnails and opening seconds. We explain why each algorithm rewards native formats and how small technical and editorial changes multiply distribution without changing your core message. Across 5 chapters, we'll cover legal considerations, technical workflows, editing sizes and pacing, localization, and a final checklist. Follow these steps to post the same creative across platforms while keeping each version native and algorithm ready. This approach is platform agnostic and designed for creators, brands, and social managers who need consistent reach at scale. First, remove all platform watermarks before cross-posting to prevent algorithmic deprioritization and to respect platform policies. If you have original masters, export files from your editing timeline or re-render without embedded logos or stamps from other networks. Be careful with copyrighted overlays and music. Verify usage rights and prefer platform-agnostic licenses to avoid takedowns and demonetization. Automate watermark avoidance in your pipeline by tagging and separating platform-specific exports from master assets. Document permissions and third-party content sources so teams can validate rights across regions and platforms before publishing. Removing watermarks is both a technical step and a strategic choice. It preserves neutral branding and improves algorithmic eligibility. Create separate edits sized for each platform: 16x9 for landscape, 9x16 for vertical, and square where required. Never stretch or poorly crop your footage. Adjust pacing by platform. Short-form networks reward faster cuts and immediate hooks, while long-form platforms allow a slightly slower narrative build. Optimize the opening 3 seconds for each algorithm. Deliver an immediate hook, a clear subject, and an early action that signals content type. Pacing also means shot length, motion, and audio cues. Reduce dead air and short edits, and keep meaningful context in longer cuts. Thumbnails and metadata influence click-through. Design thumbnails readable at small sizes. Use native language titles and include relevant tags. Produce multiple export presets for each platform. Resolution, bitrate, and codec settings that balance quality and upload speed. Localize all text overlays and metadata into each platform's dominant language to increase relevance and discovery. Generate native captions rather than burned-in translations when possible. Use platform caption tools for accessibility and algorithmic signals. Translate CTAs and adapt phrasing to local platform conventions. Short, direct CTAs often outperform longer branded lines. Adjust on-screen typography for language direction and character length so overlays remain frame-safe and readable. Localize thumbnails and preview images, and A/B test variants in market to measure click-through and retention differences. Use native metadata fields, titles, descriptions, tags, and category settings in each language to maximize platform understanding. Build a master file and a versioning system for platform-specific edits and translations. Automate exports with presets for size, bitrate, captions, and metadata to save time and maintain consistency. Run quick quality checks before publishing. Confirm no watermarks, frame-safe overlays, subtitle accuracy, and thumbnail legibility. Schedule native uploads with platform-specific CTAs, localized descriptions, and correctly sized thumbnails. Monitor analytics per platform and iterate creative elements based on retention and click-through performance. Use this checklist to post one creative across platforms while earning native reach, preserving brand integrity, and respecting each algorithm.